Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Salma Alisha Sahdiya, NPM 234120046, from Accounting Class 23A, Tax Law course. Here, I will explain the definition of tax according to the 2021 Constitution, the function of tax, and the tax collection system in Indonesia. Definition of tax according to the 1945 Constitution. According to Article 23A of the 1945 Constitution, which is in effect until 2021, taxes are mandatory contributions distributed by the people to the state based on law, without any direct imbalance. Taxes are used entirely for the benefit of the state, to finance government and maximize the prosperity of the people. In other words, taxes are a key pillar of national development. Tax function. Taxes have several important functions in a country's economy. 1. Budgetary function. Taxes serve as the primary source of state revenue to finance routine and development expenditures, such as employees' salaries, road construction, schools, and public facilities. 2. Regulatory function. Taxes are used as a tool to regulate economic and social policies. For example, high taxes on luxury goods to control consumption, or tax incentives for investment to encourage economic growth. 3. Stabilizer function. Taxes help maintain economic stability, such as controlling inflation through regulating income taxes or import duties. 4. Income redistribution function. Through taxes, the government can achieve income equality by financing social programs, subsidies, and developing underdeveloped regions. Tax collection system in Indonesia. There are 3 tax collection systems in effect in Indonesia. First, the official assessment system, where the authorized government determines the amount of tax a taxpayer must pay. Second, the self-assessment system, where taxpayers are given full trust to calculate, pay, and report their own taxes to the government. This system is the most widely used today. Third, the withholding system, where a third party is authorized to deduct or collect taxes from taxpayers, for example, a company deducting Article 21 income tax from employees' salaries. Conclusion. Based on this explanation, it can be concluded that taxes, according to the 1945 Constitution, are a constitutional obligation of the people and serve as the primary source of state finances. Taxes function as revenue, regulators, distributors, and stabilizers, all aimed at public welfare. Their implementation in Indonesia uses 3 systems: official assessment, self-assessment, and the withholding system. Therefore, taxes are not only an obligation but also a tangible manifestation of public participation in national development. That's all I can say about definition of tax according to the 2021 law, the function of taxation, and the tax collection system in Indonesia. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.